Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Just want to show you Clematis today. So in my hand I've got a variety called Country Rose, an early spring flowering variety. You get a lot of different varieties of Clematis, hundreds of them out there, and they're generally divided up into flowering groups. So you get early flowering, so they are the spring ones, late winter coming onto bloom, then you move on to your summer bloomers, and there's even autumn blooming types. But this particular one is a spring blooming one, and Clematis are renowned for being used climbing in the garden, perhaps through a tree or over a trellis, archway, obelisks as standalone subjects. They're really versatile, and if you've got a vertical space, need some height, want to cover an ugly wall, trellis, have an archway, Clematis are a very good choice. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.